Hello, my dear student. Welcome to our most educational office, BBM School Online Class. Hope you are well and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine and safe. Dear my student, due to the COVID-19, all of the educational institution in Bangladesh has been closed. Dear my student, today I will take a English class for the student of class 9. Dear guides, please take your pen and other necessary things. Dear guides, today I will discuss about the most important and interesting topics. The topics makes voice. So dear guys, please listen the whiteboard flow. Okay, voice. VOICE, voice. Voice. What is voice? The voice is a kind of adjective. There are two kinds of verb. There are two kinds of voice: active and passive. Active and passive. Active. ACTIV. Active or passive. 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 Active voice, VOICE, active voice. Another passive voice, active voice and passive voice. Dear guys, this is the whiteboard flow, so be attentive. You can see that voices, there are two kinds of voice: active voice and passive voice. Active voice, always subject is active, and passive voice, subject always inactive. Okay, that means, dear guys, such as I eat rice. I eat rice. Dear guys, please be attentive. I eat rice. It is I, subject. Eat, main verb. It's present from rice, object. It is an assertive sentence. The tense means present indefinite tense. We know that when the verb from is V1, so it is the verb is present indefinite. I hope that you are understand on what I say. My dear student, in these the sentences say that I eat rice, I subject, eat verb, rice object. In this means I eat rice, I subject, he done his work, eat rice. And this means passive. You can change the passive voice in these the sentences. Object, subject. Is the object, subject, rice, rice, is eaten by me. My dear student, this is the sentence most important, so follow. We know that the roles of active to and passive, object to subject. Object in this case, object to subject, rice, and tense related auxiliary verb. Rice is third persons, so that you can use the auxiliary verb is, and that means he, free, plus by, plus subject to object. While you can change the active to passive voice, you must follow some rules, and the rules means roles, object, object to subject, object to subject, plus be verb plus E3 object subject to object. My dear student, when you can change active to passive, when you can change active to passive, you must follow in these rules. And this object to subject, that means object rise object as is passive, or you can change the passive from is a rise is subject. And that means be verb. Or the trans-related auxiliary verb is called is be verb. Okay, that means be verb and is, are, was, were, have, has, shall, should. That means auxiliary verb. Okay, that object to subject plus tense be verb. That means be verb. E3. You are located main verb eat, eat, eaten. That means eaten. By is by plus subject object. That means first sentence is active. First sentence subject I is a object ID. You know that? I hope that you are understand. Now I will discuss subject of objective form. Okay. She as you are there. Sorry, I equal to me. Subject from objective form. Objective form. I equal to me. We equal to us. They equal to them. He is equal to him. She is equal to her. You equal to you. It equal to it. Okay, my dear learners, this is subjective form. That is objective form. I subjective form. That's an objective form. That means me, we, us, they, them, he, him, she, her, you, it. I hope you understand what I say. Here guys, now I will discuss present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. Okay, present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. How we can change the present indefinite tense active to passive? Yes, while you can change active to passive present indefinite tense, you must as is the followers. Okay, present indefinite tense. P R E S E and T. Present I N T I F I N I T. Present indefinite tense. E N S E. Present indefinite tense. Yes, when you can change the present indefinite tense active to and passive, you must this the rules. Object object to subject plus am is are plus e3 plus by plus subject to object. Okay, or you can change the active to passive voice of present indefinite tense. Object to subject plus am is are plus p3 plus by plus subject of the object. Yes, that guys, you must be am is the verb uses. Am is are if they are the subject first person, you can use the subject third person singular number. If they are the subject third person singular number, you can use is, and if they are the subject third person, but it's plural number, so you can use are. I hope you are understand and what I say. Okay. That's there guys. Such example. The one. They PLAY play football. B A double ball with is FRIE and defend. They play football. They play football with his friends. Here guys, we can see that there are two kind of objects. That's a football and his friend. So object football F double O T foot B A double L football. And in the sentences subject they play football. So it is a present form. So it calls a present indefinite tense. Football play football, that means football third person singular number. So we can use is. Football is played PLAYED. Football is played with his friend by subject হবে object subject ছিল, that means they them. Dear learners, Rupa drew draws a picture PICTURE. Rupa drew a picture for her father. My dear learners, Rupa draws a picture for her father. That means Rupa subject draw as a present form, her verb of present form, a picture object for her father. Here guys, we can see the two of the object. The first of all, a picture PICTURE. A picture, that means a picture is a third person singular number. Okay, so we know that if their subject is third person singular number, we can use is B3 drawn for her friend father for her father by RUPA. My dear learners, I hope that you are understand and what I say. Next, I will discuss present continuous tense. Okay, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. My dear learners, when we can change the active to passive voice of present continuous tense, you must some rules, follow the rules. Object to subject, or the object is object to subject plus am being being is being being are being am being is being are being plus P3 plus by plus subject to object. Okay. Yes. We can see that there are the change am, being, is, being, are, being. Present indefinite tense uses object to subject am, is, are. You can change while you can change the present continuous tense. It must be being. Use the being. Okay. I hope you understand. Such as Rupa, R-U-P-A. Rupa is reading. Rupa is reading a book. Rupa is reading a book. Dear line learners, Rupa is a present continuous tense. We know that the present continuous tense always be ing. Okay. Rupa is reading a book. Rupa subject is auxiliary verb read. Reading, read mode main verb and object a book. Here guys, object to subject a book. When you can change the present continuous tense active to passive and being is being are being. That means object to subject. We can see that object to subject. That means is a third person singular number. So we can use, you know that if they are the subject third person singular number, so we can use the is. So that means is being, being is being, main verb read, being read by R-U-P-A. My dear student, today I will finish my class. Next class I will discuss the tenses. Thank you so much those who are listening to my presentation. Thank you so much. That's of all.